Hello, team. I hope you are having a great day today. So, for my main improvement of the week, I decided to cover the topic of holidays in Canada. So, last week I was working on the Red Haven project for High Street, and specifically, I was working on the general holidays calendar. Um, and first of all, I needed to research what were the holidays that are celebrated in Canada. So I came up with this page, which is from the Canadian government. So it's a trustful one. And I needed the holidays that were celebrated on Alberta and British Columbia, and also the national holidays. So I searched through all these holidays that were available and just considered those ones. But once I already finished capturing all on the intact, I realized that there was a button here on the right corner of the page that says add to your calendar. So I decided to check it up. And for example, I downloaded and immediately my calendar showed up. And I already added to my personal calendar, but you can do it as well if you want. For now, I will not add it, but I decided at the moment that yeah, and I already have them added on automatically added to my calendar on the Apple application. But I decided to go further and see if I can add them on my Google Calendar, which I think that it will be more useful since I have my weekly work plan and all the meetings that I have with the clients. And I came up with the solution, which is first, we need to create a new calendar that corresponds to these holidays. Because if we don't create it, it will overlap with the other calendars we have. So you need to go to this corner, the left side, which has this toolbar, and you click on the plus button, and here you can create your new calendar. For this example, I will name it Holidays in Canada 2. You create it and make sure it's successfully created. You need to go back, and here you need to click again on this icon and select the last option, which is the import one. You need to make sure you're selecting the correct calendar, which is Holidays in Canada 2. And so as you saw, an ICS file downloaded from the Canadian government page, and you need to make sure that is ICS, PCS, or a CSV format before importing it. And you select the one you want to add and import them. As you can see, 30 out of 30 events were added to my calendar, and I can go back. And for example, the closest one is the Good Friday, which is celebrating on April 3rd. And on Friday, and here you can see that it's added to my calendar, which is Good Friday, and it's the Friday 3rd, so everything's okay.